In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up Turn server for Nextcloud Video Calls. Connect to your Turn server using putty and log in as a root user. Step 1. Install coturn. Next, enable coturn as service. Comment the last line, save and close the file. Let's configure the coturn file. Comment and change the values of the following lines. Place the value of listening IP to your Turn server IP address. Also the relay IP. Change the value of realm to your fully qualified domain name. Comment the following lines. Let's save and close. Let's paste this command to generate a secret string. Copy the generated secret string and paste it into the turnserver.conf. Let's save and close. Now restart the coturn service. Step 2. Go to your Nextcloud 19 and set up the Turn server. Enter the domain name of your turn server and the default port 3478. Paste the generated secret string. Select TCP only. Click check. Now your turn server was successfully set up. Let's now create new group conversation to test if the turn server for video call is working. Start the call. Join the call. Confirmed that the turn server for video call on Nextcloud is now working. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.